This is Iron Man, the hero of the future. Look at the changes. Wow, this is my captain, Captain America. Look at the changes. The superhero from Gotham City, that's Batman. Look at the changes. Yes, this is Spider-Man, he is cool. Look at the changes. Don't mess with this man, he is Superman. Look at the changes. Incredible Hulk, strong and sensitive. Look at the changes. Look at this guy, he can move before you see him, Flash. Look at the changes. This is Doctor Strange, a great wizard. Look at the changes. Can make his body smaller, he is Ant-Man. Look at the changes. Black Panther is the king of Wakanda. Look at the changes. Deadpool, the cute red and black. Look at the changes. Green Lantern Adela Polisai Cosmic. Look at the changes. The crime-fighting skilled archer, Green Arrow. Look at the changes. This is Joker, the funny man. Look at the changes. Mercenary with a disassociative identity, Moon Knight. Look at the changes. Come on, Thor, summon your lightning. Look at the changes. Aquaman, the king of the seven seas. Look at the changes. Shazam, fury of the gods. Look at the changes. Wolverine, the temperamental superhero. Look at the changes. Thanos, the mad titan who has godlike powers. Look at the changes. Groot, Guardians of the Galaxy. Look at the changes. Visit my channel to watch other exciting videos.